Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello, my name is Rifa Hidato. Now I want to ask you some question. Uh, do you are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, I want to ask. I want to tell you about yourself. Tell about yourself.
I'm a second semester student at Winsunan Gunung Jati, Bandung. I'm very interesting at English language, so I want to make people interesting about this international language. And then 2 years ago, I tried to join an online English competition and won, and which is landed me at this department.
Okay, sounds good. Next, uh, how do you start a project?
Okay, firstly, I started by thinking about the purpose of this project, and then I tried to find some information about the project, and then I tried to planning it and working on it, and don't forget about the revision at the end.
Mm, good. Next, describe your biggest mistake.
Uh, Actually, my father is a very gentle person, so he never jerk of his children, but I think I did it often to him. So when my father jerked me off, I feel sad because I feel like I was mean to him. And finally, uh, I never jerk off him again because it also make me feel sad and feel bad.
Oh, feel so creepy. Okay, next, tell me about a time when you went above and beyond on task.
Okay, when I was in high school, I was hectic about studying for the final exams. Uh, then I tried to sleep early for at that time, but my friends asked me some questions and that she didn't understand, and I understood. I tried to help her even though I ended up sleeping late, but it gave me a pleasure because I learned a lot, and my friend was able to answer the questions during the exam.
Okay, now this is about yourself and what is your dream job?
My dream job is to become an English teacher. I really want to make my student interesting about the English language and want to make and hopefully with this career the knowledge I have can be useful and help to the students. I think it's enough for me.
Okay, I hope you can achieve your dream job.
Thank you. Okay, it's my turn.
Okay, thank you very much uh, for your answer.
Answer. Okay.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
My name is Siti Ais Istiqamatul Fitriah. Here I want to ask you some questions. Are you ready, Rifa?
Yes,
Okay.
I'm ready.
Okay, the first one is how would you describe yourself?
Okay, firstly, my name is Rifa Hidato Maulidia. I'm study in UIN Sunan Gunung Jati Bandung. And I have MBTI. My MBTI is I. But if I'm around my close friend, I look like an extrovert.
Perfect. Okay, I see, I see.
I am about 57 and 100 centimeters tall, and I have high ambition and enthusiasm for college. I'm currently in my second semester of college.
Okay, that's great. The second question is, who do you look up to and who is your role model?
Okay, the first thing I admire is my own prophet. It is Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi
Mashallah.
Wasallam. But
Mashallah.
in the development of the times, in this zaman, I took a role model from a woman, namely is Najwa Shihab. Do you know Najwa Shihab?
Yes, of course. I know her.
She is a motivate.
Okay,
Okay,
that's
enough.
great. And then the third one is, why should you be the one to receive this scholarship, Rifa?
Mm, I deserve this scholarship because I have a clear career. I have a clear career plan for the future, and I want to build an education platform for underprivileged children, especially uh, in remote areas or village,
Oh, that's
mini
interesting.
town. Yes.
Okay, and then the next question is, how will you use the scholarship money?
Uh, I will make the best use of buying learning supplies. Maybe that I can use the money from scholarship.
Okay, and then the last question is, what is a meaningful experience of your class you've had in school?
I have I I had one class champions and participate in competition.
Okay, that's great. Thank you for your time, Rifa.
Yes, yeah, my
Okay.
pleasure.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
My name is Siti Ais Istiqamatul Fitriya, and I wanna ask you some questions. Are you ready, Fala?
Insya Allah ready.
Okay, the first question is, how would you describe yourself?
Mm, I am a creative person and really like working alone. I feel more focused when working on something alone, so I can freely develop ideas, like to think out of the box and enjoy exploring new things, especially those that I can learn by myself while exploring them slowly.
Okay, that's great. And then the second question is, who do you look up to and who is your model? Who is your role model?
I admire my mother the most. She is very strong, always work hard, and never complain every when she is tired. From her, I learned a lot about responsibility and enthusiasm for life.
Okay, that's so cool. And then the third question is, why should you be the one to receive this scholarship?
Because I am very seriously about my education, and this scholarship will really help me pursue my dreams. And I also want to prove that I can make good use of this opportunity and bring a positive impact to those around me.
Okay, sounds good. And then the next question is, how will you use the scholarship money?
I want to use it for pay for school fees, buy books, and take course for training to develop further. Basically, I really use it for things that help my education.
Okay. And then the last question is, what is a meaningful experience of or class you've had in school?
When I participate in social activities with my school friends, we help underprivileged children, and from there, I feel like I really learn about empathy, cooperation, and saw firsthand how small things can mean a lot to other people.
Okay. Thank you for your answer, Fala.
You're welcome.
Okay. It's your turn.
Are you ready for the question?
Okay, I'm ready.
First, I will ask you um, one first question. Describe your personality in 3 words.
Okay, I would say persistent, hardworking, disciplined. I always want to everything on time or before, and I also like to always try new things and take them seriously.
Wow, you are so great. And second question, how do you manage stress?
Okay, last week I was attacked by a lot of tasks, not only in one subject but in several subjects. I started to get confused about which one to do first and felt a lot of pressure at that time. But I tried to calm myself and looking at the most uh, urgent deadline. Then I work on it first, and finally, if I stay focused and working on it with calmness, finally all the tasks are complete.
Okay, next question. Tell me about a personal achievement that make you proud.
When I was in grade 11, I was on the program committee for the graduation ceremony of grade 12 and grade 9. At that time, I was very busy because the agenda was so tight. And the day before, I made sure everything was well prepared. I practiced the graduates rehearsal while I rehearsed to be a color of the graduates to be put on the medal. The preparation for the event lasts until 2 a.m. in the next day. While at 4 a.m., I had to start waking up because I was preparing for prayer. So I only slept for 2 hours at the time. After that, I went to the building where the event was held and checking all the preparation again. And fortunately, the went perfectly from start to finish.
Okay, next question. What is your favorite book and why?
Actually, my favorite book is Dikta dan Hukum Novel by Dian Farah. The characters in the novel is developed during the story. They learn to understand themselves and the partner better. I like this book because I also want to keep trying to change my bad personality with the good personality and try to understand the weakness of others. Uh, Hopefully, with this, I might become a better person.
Uh, Dikta dan Hukum. I know that book
Okay,
and it's my
that's so
favorite
famous,
book
right?
too. Yeah. Okay, this is last question. What motivates you?
My biggest motivation is my parents and my extrovert side. I didn't want to be burden my I didn't want to burden my parents. And when someone told me about this scholarship will give me more networking opportunities, I was immediately interested in this scholarship.
Okay, thank you for your answer. I
Okay, thank you, Fala.
yeah.